I create these songs and they have all of these wicked comments, but me and myself, I don't feel like I'm there.
I see like other artists perform and I'm like, damn, like they know what they're doing. That's probably the running theme for me. It's like comparing myself to other artists or other people in general.
And I would always envision plants on stage covering me, and I could just like pop out of a tree, do a verse around, yeah.
Yeah, I had my freak out moments. It made me question if I was good enough. I had to get to the core reasons of why I was making music and why I was doing what I was doing.
I constantly have to tell myself, like, you're doing this, you have to go hard, there's no other option.